Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and over the last week or so I've had two different people ask me how to get rid of double lines when they're doing clip art. And here's a good example. This one was traced the way I normally trace it, and this was traced with quick trace. So I've got two identical apples that are fuzzy and they're clip art, and you can see they're clip art because we bring them in the picture and they've got a white background and they're fuzzy. So I've got two identical ones. I just made a duplicate of that. So we're going to do them two different ways. This first apple, I'm going to do it the way I normally do it. I'm going to trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art. Just takes a second and you'll see the background go away. Then you hit OK. Your new trace version should be on the very top. My computer's messing up a little bit. So we bring that over, and you can see this time I must have clicked on the white box and got the got the clip art. So this time we got this. Now there is a white center part, but for some reason when you go no fill, because you're taking away all the fill, which is the white and the black, and then you put hairline, then you just have hairlines. Now to get rid of these double lines, you'd have to select all this, go up to arrange, ungroup, click on it again, and see it's still got some double lines. So what you do is, I got the box. Whenever you need to do that, just go outside your yellow box and get your part. Now to get this one, to get rid of the double lines, you need to go to arrange and break curve apart, because those pieces are part of it, and then just click your interior parts and get rid of those double lines. Now it all depends on what you wanted to do with your apple. But this time we're going to use quick trace. I don't like tracing on the yellow, so we're going to take our apple, we're going to go to trace, and we're going to go to quick trace. It actually does it a little quicker, and then when you move it over, you can see we have a white background. But we can go ungroup and then just take away the white background. And then when you click on it and put no fill outline, you just have a single line. So there's the two difference, and you're going to end up getting the exact same result. Quick trace in this case would be a little faster, and but it all depends on what you want to do with Apple. You know, if this is what you wanted and you want to fill that, if you want that, then the double lines are going to help you. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.